We'll guide you through how to fix CarPlay not working. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because CarPlay is so convenient, as you can go and connect your phone to your car and then you can go and have your different apps on there, like your maps, your Spotify, and it makes it really convenient for basically accessing your phone in your car and navigating and just having entertainment as well. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to get this working again. Make sure it's this full video. And you may be in the position where this is the first time you're doing it, or perhaps you previously connected and now you're running into the problem. We're going to cover fixes for both, so make sure it's this full guide. So to go and get started, we're going to go and open up the settings. So if you found that you have previously connected, but now it's not working, what you want to do is go down, find the option for general. Next, go down and find the option for CarPlay. If you've connected to it before, the car will be in available cars. Press the I to the right, then you can scroll down and you want to go and press forget. You can go and forget it, and then what you can try doing is setting it up again. Now it says here about if your car supports wireless CarPlay, press and hold the voice control button on your steering wheel to start CarPlay setup. This does not apply to all cars, just to make that clear. I found that in some cases that there's a different way depending on the point of the car. You may need to go into the media settings on the car first. So make sure the car is in the correct pairing mode. And what you can do is go and connect it via Bluetooth and see if that works. So you can try connecting it. Now, I found with some cars that you can actually connect it to Bluetooth, but CarPlay will not work with Bluetooth. And what you need to do is go and plug the car in with the cable itself. A lot of people have that mistake. They think they can go and connect CarPlay with Bluetooth as the phone is already connected to the car with Bluetooth. But in fact, it needs to be plugged in with a cable. So make sure you go and use an official Apple cable. That's super key. Sometimes if you're using a third-party one, they're just going to go and charge. So make sure you're using an official one and see if that then goes and solves the problem. Next, that still isn't working, then what we can try doing is restarting both the car and the phone. So what you want to do with the phone is you want to go and press the volume increase, then decrease, and tap and hold the side power button. You'll see this screen here, but you want to go and keep on holding it down. Shortly, the phone screen will go black, but you're going to keep on holding down the power button. We're only going to go and release it when we go and see the Apple icon. So it shouldn't be much longer. Like that, we can now go and release. So the phone is now starting again. When it comes to restarting the car, it does vary. For example, on one of my cars, you have to go and tap and hold the volume button for the sort of stereo system and the entertainment system to go and restart. But on others, it's going to be different. And so I found even some cars, you just have to let the car sit for around half an hour, then go back and the system will go and restart. So go and find that out. It does vary depending upon the car. After you've done that restart, try connecting them again, whether that's via Bluetooth or via the cable, and you can go and see if it will then go and start working. If you're finding it still won't, the next thing you want to try doing is changing the iPhone name. I've actually found this can go and solve the problem if there's some type of sort of glitch. So you can open up the settings, scroll down, find the option for general. At the top, you want to go and press about. Then you want to go and find the option for name. And what you can do is just change it slightly, just make it a little bit different and press the tick. And what you can do is try going and reconnecting it. If you've tried to connect it before and there's a problem, the car keeps recognizing the phone name. So now that you've gone and changed it, treat it as a brand new device, hopefully. And hopefully that will solve the problem. If it still won't, the next thing you can do is go and open up the settings on your iPhone, go down and find general, scroll all the way down and you can press transfer or reset iPhone. Press reset at the bottom and you can try resetting the network settings. That can often go and solve the problem. That will go and forget all your Wi-Fi networks, but it's worth doing if you can solve it. And hopefully the problem's now solved and CarPlay is working.